Hello children, today we learn about a new chapter. So children, kindly open your book, page number 28. This is your third chapter, Cooking and Preserving Food. From this chapter, we learn the methods of cooking and the food, how we preserve. Why do we cook food? All foods cannot be eaten raw. Some foods such as cereals, pulses and some vegetables are difficult to digest. They are tasteless. We eat them after cooking. Cooking makes the food soft to digest, and the spices like ginger, turmeric, clove, garlic, pepper, etc. used in cooking make the food tasty. Cooking also helps to kill the disease causing germs present in the raw food. Methods of cooking. The basic methods of cooking include baking, roasting, boiling and grilling, frying, boiling, simmering and steaming. Salt, pepper and other seasonings may be added to improve flavor. First one is baking. Food is baked by cooking it in an oven. The word baking usually refers to the cooking of food made from a batter or dough. Such foods include breads, cakes, cookies and pastries. However, casseroles, a few vegetables and fruits and some cuts of meats can also be baked. This is the picture of a baking. Then roasting. Roasting is cooking food uncovered hot air. The term usually refers to the cooking of meat. For example, a turkey or a leg of lamb is roasted. In roasting, the meat is usually placed on a rack in cellophane like this rack, and this is the cellophane, and cooked uncovered in a oven. Then broiling and grilling. Broiling and grilling are cooking by the application of direct heat. In broiling, the food lies directly under a continuous heat source. Meat can be broiled by placing it on a rack in a shallow broiler pan. The surface of the meat lies 3 to 5 inches under the flames in a gas range broiler or below the broiler heating unit in an electric oven. Leave the door open slightly when broiling in an electric oven to prevent the air in the oven from becoming too hot. In grilling, the food lies directly over the heat source. So this is the broiling, like this we broil, and this is the grilling picture. So children, clear about baking method, then roasting method, then broiling and grilling method. Again, you repeat whatever I taught you. Thank you.